In the book Brain Rules, Dr. John Medina talks about the idea that exercise might just be the ultimate magic bullet for our brains. People who exercise outperform couch potatoes in lab tests that measure long-term memory, reasoning, attention, problem solving, and one of the greatest predictors of successful aging is an active lifestyle. If you exercise regularly, your lifetime risk of dementia is cut in half. Your risk of getting Alzheimer's is reduced by 60%. Exercise regulates three important neurotransmitters in our brain: serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. A lot of people complain that they don't have time to exercise, but I'll give you a little secret. Exercise will actually create time for you. Mentally, you will feel the sharpest right after your workout, and your productivity will soar. Something that could have taken you 8 hours could actually be done in 2 hours if you are really sharp. Billionaire Richard Branson was once asked what was his greatest productivity secret, and he said exercise. And here's the thing, you don't need to carve out 60 minutes to do it. You can do it even when you have 10 or 5 minutes available to you. Remember the golden rule: exercise never consumes time, it only creates time for you.